guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brownie Soul is here. I have an exciting video for you guys today. I recently got some food stuff sent over to me from Nigeria, and I want you guys to go in the comment section and guess what you think the total cost is plus the shipping. Anybody that gets this right, I'll let them know. And once you do, let me know. Do you think it's worth it to buy stuff from Nigeria sent over or not? Or just stick to buying yourself in African stores with your outrageous prices? Or when you go back home, you can just get the stuff yourself, whatever the case might be. Also, they do not accept cow skin, which is called pomo, which I'm kind of like surprised. I'm like, it's just cow skin. It's not that serious. Relax. Anyways, this is a new channel I'm trying to grow. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your comments in the comment section. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Alright guys, so this is the 2 boxes of the things I got sent from Nigeria. So there are a bunch of foods, I know. I cannot wait to show you guys everything I got. So let's go. Okay, this is what is it in English? Oh my god, Agbo. It's like herbal, it's an herbal medicine. Anyways, yeah, this one's curry, thyme, nutmeg. This opono. Gary, she actually says Gary. I will told her not to, but she still sent it. You know, it is what it is. Okay, because of ABC, I have no idea. I'm gonna call her and ask her. Oh yeah, this is locust beans. She had some mangi peeled in this stuff. Grounded crayfish. Okay, box 1 is done. Let us go into box 2. Alright guys, this is box 2. I think this one has much more stuff because it's bigger. Finally, this is catfish, smoked catfish. This is fish as well. Well, I have no idea what kind of fish. Oh, she got us a pando. This is Saint Lee for sure. Yeah, I think so. We have fish, but now this is thin. I'm the one. Alright guys, so this is everything I got. I'm pretty sure I showed you the curry and thyme earlier. So this is fish, of course. This is oporoko, thyme and everything like that. I have I forgot the English name of this thing. It's called Orogo in Yoruba. Why? Well, I'll just put the English name. I'll find it. Don't worry. What's it called? And I have some shea butters. I have like the pap, the gari, pando. I have iru, which is locust beans. The pepper for like beans for whatever. I have this fish too. Most of the fish, I don't know the names. That's the only problem, but I'm pretty sure. I'll just ask my mom. She knows the name. And this is like some fish. I think this is oporoko too. I can't remember. Yeah, and also, wait. Okay, this is simply. Wait, where's this snail? Upstairs here. And this is the, what's it called? This is Agbo. What is that? Oh, Agbo. Anyways, this is everything. Let me know what you guys think. And guess the, what's it called? Guess the price of every kilo. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.